thought of having 1 crore health insurance? 1 crore. Can we buy it? If it is available, can we buy it? Because having 5 lakh, 10 lakh, 20 lakh health insurance is a common thing nowadays. But having 1 crore health insurance. I request you to please watch this video till the end to know the answers for this 1 crore health insurance. I am Rajesh from Ventura Succeeder, the right people, the right choice. We make a living by what we get and we make a life by what we give. So today's topic is having 1 crore health insurance. Why this thought of 1 crore health insurance came into the minds of the people? Because of this COVID, because of the huge hospitalization expenses which we are seeing in the media, in the newspapers. Because of this COVID, this having 1 crore health insurance thought has come. Even some COVID specific policies have come in the market covering only the COVID expenses. But shall we take the COVID policies, COVID specific policies, or a comprehensive health insurance policy? Now, how much cover do we need whether to go for a COVID specific policies or a comprehensive health insurance policy? So let's see what are they offering. So coming to these COVID specific policies, which is from Star Health, which is called Corona Kavach. This policy is offered from Star Health for an individual people. Now, if you can choose 3 months, 6.5 months, and 9.5 months from this table. Say, assuming if you want a 5 lakh cover for a person who is between 0 to 45 age, you need to pay 2,243. That means if COVID related expenses are there, you are covered for 5 lakhs for the coming 9.5 months. So if in a family of 4, we need this particular policy, we need to pay roughly around nearly around 10,000 to have 5 lakh cover for each one of the individual. But is this 5 lakh enough? Seeing the expenses, seeing the hospital bills, absolutely this 5 lakh will not be enough, and moreover paying 10,000 in a year, that too for 9.5 months for a coverage of 5 lakh for every individual is expensive. So what is the solution for this? So the solution for this is the solution for this would be a base plan with and adding a recharge plan. So let's see this also. So base plan plus recharge plan, because say for example we are going for a 5 lakh coverage for a family of 2 plus 1, where the eldest member is 35 years. We need to pay 13,504 yearly for this 5 lakh coverage. Now, as we already discussed that 5 lakh is not essential enough for COVID or any other medical expenses. Now we will take a top up on that. If you go for a 45 lakh top up with a 5 lakh deductible, you are paying 4,043 per year. That means this 45 lakh coverage starts when this 5 lakh deductible is over. That means the existing policy of 5 lakh should be exhausted to start this 45 lakh recharge. So you have variety of options. Suppose if you go for a 45 lakh cover with 5 lakh deductible, you need to pay 4,043. If you want 70 lakh cover, 772, not much difference, only 700 rupees difference for a 35 lakh cover extra. And for 95 lakh cover top up, you are paying 5,483. That means for a 1 crore cover, 5 lakh base plus 95 lakh, you are paying 18,987. Similarly, 5 plus 70 for a cover of 75 lakh, you are paying 18,276. So like this, in different options, I have kept the premiums here. The same 1 crore with a 10 lakh base plus 90 lakh top up can be availed with a 19,344. Overall, if you see these figures, roughly around 1,500 per month, putting aside 1,500 per month, will give you a 1 crore health insurance cover. Say suppose if you are already covered from the employer, say for 10 lakhs, you can avail that benefit from the employer. Post that benefit is over, you can use a 90 lakh recharge which is costing just 1493 per year for 3 individuals for a 90 lakh cover. So if any person is not having, if any family is not covered, you need around 18 to 19,000 for a 1 crore cover. If you already have a cover of 5 lakh from your insurer, you just need 5,500 for a 95 lakh extra cover. And if you have 10 lakh existing from your insurer, you just have to spend 1,500 per year to have a 90 lakh cover. So by seeing this difference between Corona Kavach and the comprehensive health insurance policy, instead of going for Corona Kavach, which only covers Corona, better to go for a top-up plan if you have a base plan. If you don't have a base plan, take a base plan plus top-up plan with just 18 to 19,000 per year. So if you are enough insured with 1 crore, whether it is Corona, whether it is cancer, whether it is whatever hospitalization it is, all these are covered under these policies. So just put aside 1,500 per month for your health insurance expenses and sleep in peace. Thank you.